We're going to explain how to convert a DAT file to Excel. There's no single universal method because DAT files are generic data containers. The format varies wildly depending on the program that created them. We'll cover the most common approaches. 1. Identify the DAT file's origin. Before you can convert a DAT file, you need to know where it came from. Look for clues in the file name, its location on your computer, or any associated software. Knowing the source helps determine the file's structure and the best conversion method. Often, the program that created the DAT file also offers tools or options to export the data in a more accessible format like CSV or TXT, which can be easily imported into Excel. Check the program's help documentation or settings. 2. Using a text editor for simple DAT files. If you suspect your DAT file is a simple text file, saved with a DAT extension, this happens sometimes, open it with a text editor like Notepad, Windows, or TextEdit, Mac. If the content is plain text or comma-separated values, CSV, you can copy the contents and paste them directly into Excel. If it's tab-separated, Excel should automatically recognize the tabs and organize the data into columns. However, if it contains unusual characters or formatting, this method might not work perfectly, leading to corrupted data in your Excel sheet. 3. Using specialized DAT file converters. Numerous programs specialize in converting DAT files. Search online for DAT file converter and choose a reputable tool. These converters often have advanced options to specify the file's structure, delimiters, encoding, etc., to improve the conversion accuracy. Remember to check reviews before using any such software to avoid malware or unwanted programs being installed alongside. Once converted to a format like CSV, you can easily import the file into Excel. 4. Using programming languages for complex DAT files. If the DAT file has a complex or proprietary format, you might need to use programming languages like Python or R. These languages offer libraries to read various file types and manipulate data effectively. However, this approach requires programming skills. You will write a script that reads the DAT file, interprets its structure, and then writes the data to a CSV file, which you can then open with Excel. This is the most advanced method and only suitable if you have programming knowledge. Many online resources provide example code snippets for various DAT file formats. Remember that the success of the conversion heavily depends on the DAT file's internal structure. If you encounter errors or unexpected results, try different methods or consult online forums dedicated to file conversion for potential solutions specific to the type of DAT file you're working with. Always back up your original DAT file before attempting any conversion.